well. Well, folks, do we have anything today? Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Unfortunately, not looking too juicy on that round of action. Just a box spring. Now, the weather was primo yesterday after a big snowstorm. It was like 60 degrees, so I expect some people to be organizing yesterday, but you have to also remember Colorado is a very large outdoor community. So instead of organizing like people would back in California, they say we're going to enjoy this absolutely amazing weather and we're going to go hiking, biking, mountain biking, whatever your cup of tea is. That's what people start doing. We got many more cans to hunt. Let's get it going. All right, coming around the bend to where we grab those two beautiful metal chairs with the leather pads that I actually just unloaded this morning. We got two set of cans before we get there. Let me go down here real quick here. I'm seeing just a pile of, we have a roll off down here, but then we got you know what that is? I think they're putting in a lot of construction stuff. Yeah, obviously that's totally off limits. But there is a huge roll-off, huge roll-off with construction stuff. And I think what they're doing is they're putting in new cement blocks for the sidewalk. But there was a bunch of ladders. Now, obviously that's not free, but it's sitting near dumpsters. Colorado is a little different than California. California, you get people grabbing it, and then if they get caught, they'd be like, oh, but it was kind of close to the dumpster. By the way, unfortunately, no actually there was a piece. Hold on. It was behind it. That was kind of interesting. There was a woman right there looking at me, so I stumbled my train of thought. There was a woman moving another piece of furniture, her and her husband with a dolly, so I'm not sure if that was associated with that, but it was kind of interesting. It was looked like an old sewing machine piece. I wish I would have got some footage of that. It was all the way tucked behind for some oddball reason. Maybe someone hid it behind there until their husband came home from work to help muscle that upstairs. I don't know. Okay, folks, what do we got? Side planks to an IKEA bed. I might actually need those for a bed I could put together. Here's kind of the side frames. Let me think about that because I have headboards, but I wouldn't really need that, because I have the metal frame that goes below that I found recently. So maybe we won't ruin that for someone that wants to grab that. I think it's actually for a twin bed as well, because it was so small. So you have the foot and headboard, and then the side rails. So I thought it was IKEA, but it was not. It was kind of that newer IKEA kind of wood look to it. So we'll just leave it be. We got a big dump of mattress, sectional. Where's the cushions? We're gonna check out this other one real quick and then loop it back around. It looked like a nice navy blue sectional couch, and we'll see if the cushions are there. Could always come back with a truck. Unfortunately, no couch cushions. Was going to get up closer to it and get a little bit more footage. It was a nice sectional, but there was a young boy throwing out trash and his mom was just a little ways away. So you definitely don't want to raise a camera up and throw up any antennas. Well. Got some suitcases, actually nice, and then a couch. Suitcases are nice though. I got the same small one myself. Could there be stuff in it? You wouldn't know unless you go over there and shake it, Chris. That's true. There could be $1 million. Absolute stunning afternoon. This whole place is to myself pretty much, except for maybe another group way over there. Beautiful mountain range, some snow right here. It is a little bit chillier, but not bad at all walking around. I got a light jacket on. Nobody's out here. Got the whole place to yourself. I'm outside here enjoying, having a little prayer time, a little walkabout, throwing some discs. It ain't all bad, folks. It ain't all bad. Looking good, feeling good. We got ourselves the bicycle on the back. Typically, I don't like to do that, but it might be a little bit muddy. Save a little dirt in the car. Also, the reason I don't like to do that is because I do always run errands while I'm in town, and I need to go to Home Depot, so I just have a bike lock on there. Meeting up with the fellas. So we're gonna be riding inside of the Air Force Academy, which I need to find out if civilians are allowed to get in there, go in there and ride. If you are, you definitely have to show an ID. It's like Camp Pendleton in California, if you want to bicycle through there. But what we do is we parking lot, we load up my brother's truck. He's a veteran, so I need to find out. Sometimes they open it, sometimes they close it. Not exactly sure. But we're gonna be doing a new loop inside of the Air Force Academy. They do have some nice trails inside, so let's head on over. Oh boy, that is a grueling climb. Oh man, if you come up right here, and that last like 2 mile stretch, oh my goodness, you just start sucking air. Oh boy. And then we're gonna hit the downhill this way. Here's like the mountains in the back of the Air Force Academy. That's not Cheyenne. That's further down where the Nordic weapon system is, I think. Here comes Slappy Dappy. Oh boy. Jeremiah, countryman. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.